Hey guys, Dan here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Homebrew on your Wii without using a mod chip or a game disc. Uh, Originally, the only way to do it without a mod chip would be to get Twilight Princess, the game Zelda Twilight Princess, and install a special save game which creates some kind of error which lets you run Homebrew. But recently, Nintendo came out with a patch to squash that bug. So recently, people in Homebrew came out with this thing called BannerBomb, which not only works on all system menus from 3.0 to 4.1, but also doesn't require game disk or mod chip. Okay, so first thing, you want to go to the first link in my description, which is this site, BannerBomb, and you want to download this file. Okay? Then the second thing you want to go to is the second link in my description where you'll want to download the Hack Me installer. And right now this is the latest one, but as the video goes on, gets older, they might come out with a new one. So basically install whatever the first thing is on the latest one on the download page. So this one for now. The last thing is you want to install the Homebrew browser, which can be downloaded here. That takes care of the files, so you can keep them on the desktop, but I put mine in this folder just to keep them in one spot. Okay, so now what you want to do is open up your SD card, which can be done by going to Start, My Computer, and it's probably going to be a letter drive under Devices with Removable Storage. In my case, it's J. So, next step is, if you've used this in your Wii before, if you put this specific SD card in your Wii, you will probably have a folder, called Private, and which is right here on mine. So, this is a very important step. You're going to want to rename that file to something else. In this case, I'm renaming it to old, private old. It doesn't really matter what you rename it to, as long as it's something different. Okay, so next, you want to go to the first file you downloaded from the BannerBomb website. Use whatever extractor you want. I use 7-zip. You can get it free on Google, 7-zip. And you want to extract it right to your SD card. So, where's my mouse? There it is. There we go. And there it is. See how it says private? This is the reason why you needed to make the other one a different thing. Otherwise it would have replaced it, and you don't want to erase your save game and stuff. And whatever else you have on there. Alright, second thing to do is to go to the Hack Me installer and extract it to your desktop or wherever you saved it. Alright, then go into the folder and find boot.elf. You're going to want to copy or just drag it over to the root of your SD card, which is very important that you put it on the root. And what the root is just the first part of your SD card. When you open up your SD card, that first little thing with private and private old is your root. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, so now you want to create a new folder on the root of your SD card again and call it apps. So just apps. Then you want to go to the Homebrew browser zip file and again extract it to the apps folder you just created. So go to your SD card and apps. So if you open up apps, you should see a README and this Homebrew browser file. Alright, so that's about it on the computer side. Next step is plugging it into your Wii. So let's go to the Wii.